Wind force fusion, and I'll do my best here to show you the sway bar in front. For those who want to install this, I have to be honest, it's a pain in the butt because you have to remove your subframe, these bolts here and this one here. You have to lower at least one side, and it also helps if you unbolt your steering rack and lift it up a bit, so it makes easy to especially put back the new Steeda sway bar. This is the sorry about the mess, but it is what it is. That's the front sway bar, and it's actually quite heavy compared to the rear. The OEM sway bar is heavy. Obviously the Steeda is heavier. You see here, this angle, you could see. And since I'm here, I might as well show you the rear sway bar that I showed you last year. There you go, you could see it, that I installed last year. And as you can see, all the aftermarket exhausts to the factory muffler, which is cool. So situation right now, I'm still waiting for my little bolts here and there, and hopefully by the end of the week I will have the new CRP installs. Show you again. This is all my mess, by the way. CRP turbos. And yeah, I'll cut this short right now, so more to come. Bye.